Sani ka wadhi mbele ka wabiro chako twak bang' nyiri machuok kende. Jaod bura mogwel kod duond bura mar Jubilee Sabina Chege gikone to othich oko ka jaleg wi kweth manok e od bura ka Chege ogolo lemono tok ywaruok mapek neno e kind kweth mar Azimio kod Spika Moses Wetangula, kama ne Wetangula ne odiro okang' mar wilo Sabina Chege kod jaod bura ma Embakasi West Mark Mwenje e bwo olalo e kinde mokalo. Mark Mwenje koro biro konyore kod jaod bura ma Suna East Junet Mohamed.
In this regard, the Honorable Mark Mwenje MP forthwith replaces Sabina Chege MP as the deputy whip of the minority party. The Jubilee Party is hereby recognized as a parliamentary party within the meaning of Standing Order 20A. Consequently, the Honorable Sabina Chege, by virtue of the written support of 21 members out of 28 members of the Jubilee Party in the House, is allowed to perform in the interim the role of the whip of that party in the House.
I wish to thank you for finally effecting the communication from my office regarding the change in the holder of the office of the Deputy Minority Whip.
Can then the Honorable Mark Mwenje, as a member of the same Jubilee Party, be a whip in Azimio One Kenya coalition if Jubilee pretends to have left the Azimio One Kenya coalition?